Hey lovelies, Madame Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to review a very affordable makeup brand, the Profusion Cosmetics makeup brand. I'm going to be reviewing their Siennas eyeshadow palette. And as you guys probably realize, these eyeshadow palettes are actually available at your local Walmart. They're available at your local drugstores. They're available at Target. I can't remember where else I saw them, but I know for a fact that Ulta Beauty, they do not carry the Profusion Cosmetics brand. They carry the JCat Beauty brand. You could order items from JCat Beauty on their website, but they do not carry anything from the Profusion Cosmetics brand. So this is very affordable. This palette costs less than $10. Now, I was able to get it for less than $10 at my local Walmart store, but I know on some websites they have it for $10 and up. But definitely this palette should not cost you more than $12. So for $10, you get 21 shades. You get 21 eyeshadow shades in this palette, and this is the Sienna's eyeshadow palette. So 21 colors. You have a few mattes in there. Now the cool thing about the eyeshadow palette, it actually comes with a brush. Wow, this palette came with this brush. Now I didn't use this brush because I don't know, you know, I'm so particular with my brushes, and I just stuck to my regular brush. But this palette actually comes with a brush. You know, back in the day where when they first started coming out with eyeshadow palettes, they would give you like the brushes that you don't think you probably won't ever use, like the brushes with these little tips at the end. But they actually put a real brush in the eyeshadow palette for you this time. 21 colors, guys. 21 colors. You have a few mattes in there. You have a few shadows in there. And I'll be giving you some more insights on my final take on this eyeshadow palette towards the end of the video. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this fabulous eyeshadow look, please stay tuned. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. To my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by today. I hope that you are having a wonderful day thus far, and definitely compliments to the season. Don't forget to hit that notification bell on your way out, my new subscribers, because you gotta be part of the Sophia's mix. You gotta be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Alright, so let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, lovely. So this is my final take on the Profusion Cosmetics Siennas 21 eyeshadow palette. These colors are definitely pigmented. The matte colors are not as pigmented as the shimmer colors. I just wanted to point that out. But the matte colors do have some form of pigmentation. You're just gonna have to work a little hard in those colors. Now this palette, please don't think that this palette is going to be a dupe for a brand like Anastasia Beverly Hills or Too Faced Cosmetics. No, you're gonna have to go hard with your brush in some of the shades, especially the matte colors. When you're working with some of the matte colors and even some of the shimmer colors, especially this color right here, Dizzy, this rose gold color, I had to go in really hard with my brush. So I just wanted to point that out. Now, although in fact, most of the shimmer colors in here, they do have a buttery texture to it, but in order to like get the pigment out of the color, you have to go in really, not a really hard, like really hard, but you're gonna have to apply some pressure on your brush when you're dipping into your eyeshadows. So just wanted to point that out. You're just gonna have to be very mindful that some of the shades are really not true to the way it's advertised, for example. And I think that was the only case with that shade. So for example, this Dizzy shade right here, in the pot, it actually looks like it's a rose gold shade. But when I swatched it, it is actually a gold shade. And this is actually the color I use on my bottom lash area. And you guys will see that I use this color in the tutorial. So certainly you're gonna have to work with those shades, but definitely, like I said, pigmentation is there. It is not one of those palettes where you try to work with the colors and they just keep going to Never Wonderland. No, the colors are gonna be there. You're gonna see the colors, but it's just that you're gonna have to apply a little pressure on your brush when you're dipping into the eyeshadow shade that you're working with. The mattes, like I said, pigmentation is there, but you're gonna have to really work with those colors to get to the shade that you would like. Apart from using these colors, because I didn't really like the way the eyeshadow look was coming when I was done applying all of the eyeshadows for this look, I ended up using the Essence. So I used the Essence Cosmetics Super Last eyeliner, and this is a matte eyeliner. So this is why you're seeing this, my eyes are lined very well and you're not seeing any shimmer to it. It's simply because this eyeliner gives a very matte finish and it dries very quickly. So just wanted to point that out. And I think I really thought I think I might go back for another one because I really love this. This is actually my new favorite eyeliner, my new favorite matte eyeliner. Normally I'll use my NYX Vinyl eyeliner, but this one is gonna have to do for now. So certainly I love the way I was able to come up with this look. Apart from using this eyeliner, I also went ahead and I used my Stila Cosmetics glitter eyeshadow. I can't remember the name of it, but okay, no, that's not it. But anyway, I used the glitter I used was from Stila Beauty, Stila Cosmetics. I'm going to leave the name of it somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. For lips today, I went ahead and I used the Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metals Lip Kit. And the color I have on right now is the color Cocoa. For highlighter today, I went ahead and I used the Bretman Rock X Morphe highlighter palette, the Baby in Paradise highlighter palette. This is what I use for highlighter today, and this is why my highlighter or my highlight is not very much in your face today. It's very much on the natural side, and that's one of the major things I love about Bretman's highlighter palette. Apart from that, what else did I use? Oh, for foundation, guys. For foundation, I went ahead and I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow Liquid Foundation. That's what I used today for foundation. I also set that with the Beauty Bakery Flour setting flower in yellow. I set my entire face, or the rest of my face I may add, with the Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep Face Powder to kind of bronze up everything. I kind of used the CoverGirl loose powder in the color Translucent Honey. I use this color to kind of bronze up everything and just add that natural shimmer to it, because as you guys know from my previous tutorial, I found out pretty early that the CoverGirl loose finishing powder does not give you a matte finish, because it has these shimmer aspects in it. So I really wanted these shimmer aspects to be part of this finished look, so I added some more towards the areas that I will be contouring. So I added some of that loose setting powder down here, as well as my forehead area. So that's where I added that powder. In addition to that, to contour my face for the highlighted parts, I went ahead and I used the color Tan Sand from Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer Tan Sand. So this is what it is for my face. For brows, I went ahead and used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip, or dip brow pomade. Well, brow dip pomade in soft brown. That's what I used on my brows today. And I think that's it, guys. How did I do with this look? Do you like this look? I really think that in order for you to get a really good look out of this eyeshadow palette, like a look that has character to it, you may have to add other stuff to it, but definitely this eyeshadow palette is worth the money for only 10 bucks for 21 colors. I can't think of any company, any cosmetic company on the market right now that sells eyeshadow palettes with 21 shades for only $10. I can't think about it. I can't think of any other company. And I'm very happy that at least they're doing it, and they're doing it well. They're doing it good. Some companies, they're very good at putting on a very good packaging, but the product is not that great. So I mean, apart from you having to go in a little deep with your brush when you're using the shadows, I just really want to point out that I cannot really complain about this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is indeed Sophy approved. Why? Because it is very affordable. The pigments work in there. If the pigments were not working in there, then we would have a problem, but the pigments are actually working in there. The shades are actually working. They're working and they're applying as they're supposed to be applying. So certainly, that is one of the major reasons why I'm approving this item, simply because of that. And it is very, very, very affordable. It is affordable and it works. It's affordable and it works. So that's what I wanted to point out in regards to that product. But that's going to be it for today, divas. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Welcome if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Compliments of the season to you guys. I hope that you are having a fabulous holiday season, and continue to be safe out there. I hope that you drop something nice in the comment section, or just give me a thumbs up. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to hit that bell on your way out to be part of the Sophia squad. You gotta be part of the Sophia squad because you are a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so I hope that you have a fabulous day. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.